Hey Queen Vic, I hope you're all doing fine at home. This short little video here is all about one of my favourite things I like to do when I'm bored, make paper airplanes. So I'll be right back after this short intro. Okay, so to get started, you'll need some paper. Any colour paper is fine. Not too thick, otherwise it'll be too heavy. As long as it's nice and square on the sides, it should be fine. So, there's two types of airplanes I'm going to make this morning. The first one's a very simple one. So you can either make it in landscape there. Sorry, that was landscape. In landscape or in portrait. It's up to you which way you want to make it. So, we'll make it this way. We'll make this one this way, about there. So the first thing to do is simply fold it in half by lining up the other side there. Just line it up nice and square. Put a nice crease in there. And then open it up. And very simply take the corner over here and bring it matching up with that line there. Okay, so that's lined up, matched with that line across there. And then just push it down so you have this kind of triangle folded inwards. And do the same to the other side. So bring it to the corner. Go there, so we have a nice, looks like a pentagon there, five-sided shape there, and then very simply close it. And then this part you can decide how much or how large you want your wings, whether you want short wings or whether you want large wings. You can try different things. So I'm going to just put it here, about how much, and close it, and then flip it over and do the same on the other side, making sure they're even. And there you have your first airplane. Very simple airplane, this one. There it is in the picture. Okay, and we'll try it out against a more complicated one in a moment. So now a more complicated one. Same nice clean piece of paper. It can be scrap paper if you want. And it starts off the same. This time I'm going to do it in portrait, make it a nice long thin airplane. So I'm going to take it, I'm going to go in half. There we go, nice fold there. Fantastic. So there's my folded page. And I do the same again. I take the corner, take it to the corner there. Fantastic. And I do the same to my triangle folded there. On the other side I do the same again. That folds into a crease there and crease it. Okay, but this time rather than folding it and making the wings, I'm going to fold it again. So I take this part here and I fold it again. Can you see that? Fold it. So it has more strength and it has this kind of longer triangle shape here. And I do the same again with the other side. And if you get it right, your two parts should line up like that. Pretty good. Okay, so that's the shape we're after. So I folded it once, fold it again, and then simply fold it over. Okay, that's the shape you should have. And now you can make the wings. Again, you can decide how much of a wingspan you want, whether you want short wings or long or wide wings. So you can just decide. Fold it in there, and then do the other side again. Okay, making sure that they're balanced or equal, should I say, and fold over like so, and there you have your more kind of better looking airplane. And then we'll see in a moment which one flies the furthest away and which one looks nice. So there's a comparison, a very simple one here and a more complicated one there. So let's see how far these will fly. So here we've got two airplanes, the more complicated one here, the double fold, very simple one here, and I've got my classroom in front of me there. I'm going to see how far I can actually throw these things. I'm not very confident with this small one because it's a bit weak. So I'm just going to make sure it's all folded up, give it a go. Hopefully I'll get somewhere at least. Let's try this. Go 1, 2, 3. Not very good at all. Okay, maybe we need to tweak that design. Let's try this one, more complicated one. Okay, tips. You can also put bends in different places if you want to try them out. You can do all sorts to make this better. We're going to try this. Okay, so up it goes here. Okay, let's see how far that didn't get very far. Let's see this more complicated one. See how far I can get with this one. Fantastic, much better. Fantastic. Right, so there you have it. A very simple tutorial of how to make airplanes if you're bored. This one was a better design by the looks of it. You can always, like I said, tweak it. You can put some folds in here, maybe put another fold in there. Don't forget you can colour it in, felt tips, make your own design. And if you get flying, send us a picture of what you made, and we'll post it on our Facebook or our Twitter account. I'll see you soon. Okay, let's try this small one.